I'm going to show you guys how to replace an element in a flashback. Coming up. Alright, here is our element that has gone bad. So what we're going to do is remove these panels on each side. What you'll need to remove the sheet metal screws and nuts is a 5/16 either wrench or socket and a 3/8 as well. Be sure that your power is completely disconnected. There is one nut and 3 sheet metal screws which you'll need to remove in order to get these panels off. Alright, both of our panels are off. Again guys, be sure that your power is completely disconnected because you do have electricity running through these panels here. Also keep in mind that the right side versus the left side little covers are different in size. Reason being is you do have your power coming in over here, running to your elements. Alright, here's the bulb in question. The thing just does not work anymore. So I'm going to take my 5/16 socket and I'm going to loosen it up and just kind of let this thing hang down. We're going to do the same thing over here. Now I'm going to hold the bulb with this hand, loosen this up, drop that down, and I'm going to undo the other end and pull the whole bulb out. Alright, we got our new element. You do want to make sure this side, the flat side, is facing up. So I'm going to take this nut here and I'm just going to thread it on just a touch. I'm going to take my other nut. I know you guys probably can't see this because my hand's in the way. And I'm going to snug that down by hand. Come back to this other side. I'm going to do the same thing. Now I'm going to take my 5/16, tighten that thing back up. And I got it at the lowest setting here, just enough so these are snug. You want to be sure not to over tighten these. So let's go ahead and put our covers back on and fire this thing up. One thing to keep in mind, on the power side there is this ground, so you want to be sure to secure that down as well. Okay, I have the covers reinstalled. I have my power connected back. So let's go ahead and turn our heat on and see what we got.
Oh yes, turn on new little bulb. Do your thing.
Ooh, that new one's pretty. Along with these new reflectors. Man, that thing looks great. You can tell these old ones, they got some little kinks up in it and have probably touched a shirt a time or two. In the process of installing a new element, you do want to be sure that you step on your old bulb and break it. That was a complete accident. I didn't mean to do that. Here's the old element. You can see where it just kind of burnt out. All it is a coiled up piece of wire inside some glass. Thanks for tuning in, guys. I hope this was helpful. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget we are an official rep for Catspit Productions, so use our promo code Mikey Designs at catspitscreenprintsupply.com. You'll get $5 off your screen printing supply or equipment purchase, and it'll help support our channel so we can make more videos such as these for you. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later.